Comment on the following statements. Bee sting is treated with baking soda paste, whereas wasp sting is treated with dilute vinegar. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a basic substance that neutralizes bee stings, which are acidic. Vinegar, also known as acetic acid, is an acidic substance that neutralizes wasp stings, which are mildly basic. Farmers treat soil with quicklime while tilling. Farmers use quicklime to treat soil to increase the pH level of acidic soil, which can improve crop yield and plant growth. Ancient sculptures and marble structures are conserved by treating them with certain chemicals. Ancient sculptures and marble structures are treated with chemicals to protect them from damage caused by acids, pollution, and biological growth.